Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video we will discuss about one of the most important topics in 10th class physics, that is IUPAC names. So this is one of the most important even if you go for the higher studies in intermediate or at the degree level. So let us discuss what is IUPAC name and how do we answer if we get such questions in our main exam. So this video is requested by a lot of students and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Now look here. The first step is to identify the functional group. So there are different functional groups given. For example, OH belongs to alcohol functional group, CHO belongs to aldehyde functional group, C-double-bond-O belongs to ketones, RCOOH belongs to carboxylic acid, COOH belongs to esters, and NH2 belongs to amine. So the first step what you need to study is the functional group. What is the formula and to which functional group it belongs to. This is the first step. Second step, students, you need to identify how many carbons are there in that particular compound. For example, it contains of 1 carbon, then it starts with meth, 2 with eth, 3 is prop, 4 bute, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, and 8 oct. So this is the second step you need to study. So third step what you need to study is to see if the compound consists of single bond, double bond, or triple bond. If it contains a double bond like C double bond C, then it belongs to alkane. It is alkene. If it contains a triple bond, it is alkyne. If it contains a double bond, it is alkene. Okay. So this is the third step. First you need to study these 3 steps, students. Now we will see how to apply these 3 different concepts while answering the IUPAC name. Let us take the first example. First step is to see if there is any functional group in this. Functional group should contain OH, CHO, COOH, NH2. This formula should be there in that particular compound. So if you see example 1, there is no functional group. The second step is to count how many carbons are existing in this compound. If you count here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbons are existing. So if it contains 4 carbons, it starts with the name bute. Let us write the name as bute. Does it contain single bond, double bond, or triple bond? If you see here, it consists of a single bond. So then it belongs to ane. So the name is butane. Okay. Let us see the second example. So is there any functional group in this compound? No, there is no functional group. Let us count the number of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know if it contains 4 carbons, the name starts with bute, BUT. Now see which type of bond it has. Does it have single bond, double bond, or triple bond? Now if you see there is a double bond here, that means it belongs to the alkene group. So the name would be butene. Here it is butane, but here it is butene because it consists of double bond. Okay. Now let us go to the third example. This is a little bit different. So is there any functional group in this particular compound? There is no functional group. You can see there is no OH or CHO or COOH or NH2 attached to this compound. So now let us number if there is no functional group, always number the carbon compounds from left to right. So I am numbering them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 carbons, as we know, it belongs to bute and there is only single bond. So I can write as butane because it belongs to alkane group. Now at second and third positions there is chlorine element. So you need to write the positions first. It is like 2, 3. So how many chlorines are present? 2 chlorines are present. You need to write if it is 2 di. What is the element name? Chlorine. So you have to write dichloro. So the complete name is 2, 3 2, 3 dichloro butane. So this is how you need to write. When there is no functional group, you need to number the carbon elements from left to right. Please remember this. So coming to the fourth example, if you see this CH3, CH2, 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 OH. So there is a functional group OH here. So when there is a functional group, always number the carbon elements which is attached to the functional group. So this is on the right side, the functional group is on the right side, so start numbering them from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many carbon elements are there? 4. So it starts with but. Is there any functional group? Yes. What is the functional group here? It belongs to alcohol. So what is the name it contains? Al. So I can write butanol. Okay. So is there any single bond or double bond? It is a single bond, so it contains of butane, and then this is the functional group, belongs to alcohol. This belongs to alkane group. So but belongs to like 4 carbon elements. That is how you need to write the entire name of this particular compound. Hello students, let us take another example. So now here you can see one of the functional group OH. So OH is on the left side or right side of the compound? It is on the right side. So you need to start numbering the carbons from the right side. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it has 5 carbons. So the name for 5 is pent. So let us write the name PENT. Does it have single bond or double bond? It has only single bond. So it will be pentane. But it also contains a functional group called as OH, alcohol. So we can write it as pentanol. Okay students. So now let us see another variation. If there is a Cl here and here, let us say at the 3rd position and 4th position there is a chlorine element. Okay. So now the name would be 3, 4. How many chlorine elements are there? 2 chlorine elements are there. So can I write dichloropentanol? Hello students, please comment in this video what is the name of this particular compound. Please try to learn these concepts where you learn the functional group and then how many number of carbons are there and then what is the types of bond, and also try to practice as many compounds as possible and comment the name of this particular compound in this video as a comment. Okay. I hope this video is very much helpful for you students. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment which topics you need in future.